The life of a student can be really overwhelming. It can get to the point where you may feel the need to drop out of university. We as students, we face the most financial difficulties, from things such as bills, rent overdue, not enough money to buy food, not enough money to buy the clothes you like. But it's fine, it happens to all of us. Me, I'm Money Hats. I'm 19 years old. I'm a second year pharmacy student. And during my first year of university, I managed to find one method of passive income, or a side hustle as we may call it. May 2019, I managed to generate £3,700 from my side hustle, or passive income. Like and subscribe to tune in, guys. Peace.
Fuck you and all your expectations. I don't even want your congratulations.
Right, the online platform which I used to make £3,700 during the month of May 2019 was Depop. Honestly, with Depop, what I liked about it at the time was the fact that I didn't have to pay no fees to join. It was literally free. The only thing that they do is take 10% commission. When I first joined Depop, I had no clue how to use it. So what I did is I researched a lot of different videos and also looked at some great listings which were successful and some which were unsuccessful. From there, I came with a conclusion which I saw that the best listings had the best descriptions and the best photos in comparison to the unsuccessful listings. So from there, I was able to master the technique and the strategy, and this enabled me to learn and keep consistent with buying and selling items. At the time, I was able to find literally some items which were really in demand, which helped me elevate my success. In video 2, I'll be telling you more about product research and how to find these items, so you as well can make up to £3,000 in 1 month. So back to what I was saying. With me at the time, all I used was literally my iPhone 6. My third video, I'll be telling you how to sell items on Depop. Right now, I'll give you a little tutorial how to use Depop. Down below in the description is a link to download Depop for Android devices and iOS devices. I'll give you a full tutorial, guys. Keep watching. Firstly, you need a good phone. Nice smartphone, anything accessible internet. You download the Depop app, which is this one right here, and you access it. You Depop app, you open it up, you access that.
We've logged on. The first icon that just shows the home button. Second is just a search engine. Third is just camera icon to upload new pictures. Fourth, that's just messages and inquiries for negotiating prices with sellers. And you can also search here, like the item of choice. I'm gonna choose Prada. Let's scroll down and see what Prada I have at the moment. Just scroll down. It's currently mixed in men's and women's. Let's put in a quick refine in the search engine. So let me check out this t-shirt before I proceed. Because this t-shirt, right, £35, you should be a bit skeptical of this because prices are high and brand, it can't be so cheap. Alright, be careful sellers like them, and keeps going down. Alright, let's just refine. Let me put menswear. Then I'll select shoes. Then I will select the size as well, because I'm a UK size 8. I'm a UK size 8. Right, that's that done. Just click that. Let me just go back. If I had a bit more time, I'll show you some of my listings, for example, and show you my full page and prove to you that it's not a matter of that you need a lot of followers or whatever to make a lot of sales. It's mainly about the stuff that you show. This will be included in the next video. Let me just quickly refine the price. And this is a great feature because you can sort of estimate how much your budget would be. Let me see these product Cloudburst Thunder knits before we proceed. These, I'm telling you, these will be counterfeit because it doesn't show tags or any authenticity. Plus, it's saying 450 when they cost £720, and they look in brand new condition. So be wary of them things. Let's proceed and see what else are there in trainers. Let's proceed. In my next video, I'll speak deeply about product research and also how to create your own listings, which will be helpful for quite a lot of us. Alright, so I like this listing, this product cloud bust. It's showing the packaging, it's showing everything, the description label. Look at that, let's just zoom in. And you can see yourself that it's an authentic item, £475. These were costing 500. I'll give it a like. I'm a real fan of this listing, but however, the pants are not my style. At that fact, I still admire like the way they take the pictures, and they're showing that they've got 80s, 90s style fashion, which shows that they've got a bit of theme going on, relevant theme, and they've got the intended market. Like this Diodora t-shirt that we just showed, it's not my style, but however, it's really vibrant, really shows a nice listing. Let's see what else this person has. So check out this sweater, for example. It's fully defined. You can fully see the details, and I like this vest as well. Like, look at the design on that. It's nicely shown. In the next video, I'll be able to give you a few examples of my listings, and I'll give you a bit of tips how to maximize your sales. But for now, I'll just carry on reviewing some good listings. Like, as you can see, right? Look at this camera. Look how old it is. But however, like, look at the creativity which this seller's using to try and catch the customer's eyes, and which is essentially what you need as a seller.
So using this model, right, with Depop, that's how I was able to make £3,700. In one day, I managed to make £700 by making 3 sales, which I was baffled, I was shocked. Bear in mind, I hadn't made no sales in 2 days. One day I wake up with £700 on my PayPal account. I was literally speaking mad tongues and patois. I was like, yo, Jesus, check me eyesight. Me not believe what me I see it. Bro, I was gassed. Like, you know, these type of things, all it takes is just follow these tips which I'm showing you, and it'll be a piece of cake.
Well, no excuse, no use, innit?
Yeah, let me get the milk and put it in my bag.
Put in your bag, mate. Man, this kit, I gotta get myself one of them roads, innit?
Nah, don't worry about it, I can lend you, man. When you need your videos filmed, I'll film for you.
Inshallah.
I'm here for you, bro.
Yeah, just make sure it's tight, flip it over. Yeah, get a milky in here, yeah?
Yeah. Oh, it'll be a shame traveling to leave the milky bag.
Yeah.
Well, I'm in town and my
Shit,
bag's
man.
leaking.
Yeah, total shit.
Yeah, definitely, as I was saying, man, anytime you need filming, I'm here for you, man. I'm here for you.
Alright, so what's your name?
Money hacks.
Money Hacks.
Yeah.
Are you rich or not?
I'll try to get there.
You get there one day, innit?
Yeah.
Money Hacks, give me advice. How do I become rich?
What you do is just fucking go to work and start flipping, asking people. During May 2019. Like and subscribe to tune in, guys.
Gerald, 3, 2, 1. Good morning.
Right. How's that looking?
It's looking very